Hi everyone, today I've got fake Samsung and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it just by tapping on this 3 bars icon in the left corner. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously opened apps. You can check all of them. If you want to, you can close only one of it. Just find it and tap on this X button. We will try to swipe it, and as you can see, you can also turn it off just by swiping, so you can decide if you want to swipe or just tap on this X button and it will also disappear. But if you'd like to close all of them with only one click, just tap on this trash bin icon right in the middle. We just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, so it means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close background apps in this fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.